Well, it starts with the owners, Paul and Jamie at Hometown.
Everybody here is like family to each other, where it's one big team.
It's a big company, but it feels like a small family mom and pop shop.
I've been here for going on 2 years now, and as soon as I walked in and interviewed for the first time, it felt like a family.
Well, I think what makes Hometown Contractors special is the owner and the employees.
Hometown knows your name, they know your family, they know your kids. They really treat you like one of their own, and it really makes Hometown easy to work for.
This company is from top to bottom first class in the way they do business. They don't use subcontractors, they use their own employees. They're independently owned. They've been in business for a long time, so longevity is very important when it comes to dealing with a company. We see eye to eye on the values and the morals of how to run a business, and when it comes to service, standing behind the product, whether it's the work or whether it's the product, and to make sure that you have a satisfied customer at the end of the day. We work very hard at what we do, and we want to do it right. Hi, my name is David Barnes. I'm the president and CEO of Viwinco. We make windows and doors here in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. We've been in business since 1982. Now, Paul and Jamie run a very clean business there, and I know they're proud of what they do, not only for their people, but for the community. And that's one of the roles that I have. It's not just about me or my employees, it's about how do we treat the community that we live in as well.
So my name is Paul Kosiski. I'm president of Hometown Contractors.
Hi, my name is Jamie Kosiski, and I'm the CFO of Hometown Contractors.
So I started Hometown Contractors in the year of 2000, January of 2000. So we're going on 24 years soon to celebrate our 25th year in business. So when I started my home improvement company, I wanted to have a full service home improvement company where when you call us, we answer the phone and we'll set you a free appointment. And when our sales rep comes out to your home, he's going to be very well trained on what is the best product for your home. And he's going to measure your windows, inspect your windows, and recommend, and then show you an actual working sample of the window he recommends. And then he'll figure out the price and leave you a quote.
Hometown Contractors' mission is to provide a top quality product as well as top-notch customer service.
Hometown Contractors is special because we started out as a small mom and pop company, have grown through the years to employ over 100 employees now. To see a company like this grow throughout the years in a locally owned company, not some franchised box store company, makes it a joy to work for.
We are a locally owned and operating family company that started with a sales spirit in mind. And since then, we have grown tremendously and now have 3 satellite offices. Our main office is in the Pensacola Pace area. We have since expanded and have a satellite office in Robertsdale, Alabama. And then we also expanded over to Panama City while our neighbors over there unfortunately had a Category 5 storm in 2018.
I think the biggest thing that separates Hometown Contractors from the competition are the little things. The little things make a big difference. You know, clear communication is very important. Installation is probably one of the biggest keys, along with having quality products that you can stand behind, having a good warranty. At Hometown, we use what we call a full service concept, meaning we do everything outside the house, windows, doors, siding, patios. We're not looking for a one-time customer, we're looking for a lifetime customer. Using Hometown Contractors versus a different contractor is a big difference. In today's time, you have a lot of companies that are using subcontractors. Their job is to get in, get out as quick as they can. They're not looking at the quality of their work. They're looking to get it done and get on to the next job. Whereas Hometown's approach is a lot different. We're using all in-house employees. We have a 45-step process just to change out one window. It starts with the education of the homeowner, an exact measurement and price given at the time of the project. project for the quote, and then there's a final measure all the way through to the installation, which is done by employees. And then after the customer has signed off with the employees that installed the window, they actually have a manager inspection done. So at the end of the day, everybody wants the job done right, and Hometown goes above and beyond to assure the job is done right.
Our sales training for our sales reps is always ongoing, so we're constantly learning what's working, what's not working, what we can tweak, so that we're giving the best presentation to our customers. And so that's their one source. They got to do it right, and they got to do it, the Hometown way.
For a homeowner, it's a peace of mind when a company has their own employees. A lot of people know that when you subcontract out your jobs, the subcontractor could be here today and gone tomorrow.
Yeah, we have 4.9 rating with over 700 reviews. That's not an easy task, especially for a contractor, but we make it happen.
Every person, no matter what their job role is a key component of our company. So we think of every employee as a family member, and they can see that we all have respect for one another, and we all have great gratitude for the success of the company, because not one of us alone did this. We are all grateful to have each other and to grow the business. We're right where we need to be because our employees are happy, our customers are happy, and that's what it's all about.